Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by creating a clean, stable mobile network on your phone so the TV can join reliably. First, enable the phone's hotspot, choose 4 GHz if available, and set an easy-to-identify SSID and a strong password. Next, confirm your data plan supports tethering and that signal strength is adequate. Poor cellular reception will cause lag. Once done, disable VPN and battery-saving modes to avoid unexpected drops, and place the phone near the Sony Bravia for the initial connection. Now make the actual connection on your Sony Bravia. From the home screen, go to Settings, the Network and Internet, and enable Wi-Fi so the TV scans for available networks. Select your phone's hotspot SSID and enter the password exactly. Case matters. Leave IP settings on DHCP unless you need a static IP. DHCP simplifies addressing and usually works fine. If your phone broadcasts separate SSIDs for 2, 4, and 5 GHz, choose the 4 GHz network for better range and stability with the TV. Finish by verifying the link quality and adjusting settings as needed. Run the TV's network test or stream a short video to confirm throughput and latency. This tells you if the mobile link is usable. If performance is poor, reboot both devices, move the phone closer, or toggle between 2, 4, and 5 GHz hotspots. One key troubleshooting tip: if devices connect but have no internet, check carrier tethering limits or AP isolation on the hotspot. Disabling isolation or contacting your carrier often resolves blocked device traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.